Hello YouTube, this is John. This is part 2 of our washing machine video. Today we are going to unbox. Yes. So we are going to go remove this here. Then we're going to it was previously opened. When you get to this point, you get your knife away. This is what we have. Here. So I've seen how to get it outside. So you have to first go. Let me first go behind a bit. We open this side. So when you reach here, let me come a bit closer. Okay. This is the back view. So we're going to get this side. So our washing machine, turn it. So, moment of truth is here. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the user manual, how to connect it. And if you get any issues with this washing machine, same washing machine, you can also comment. Yeah, you can comment. So what we have here, it came with this side protection. We have this one what was sealed. So you shall go ahead and peel off this sticker. So this is where you open it from. So inside here it has the hose pipes for connecting, as we're going to see in the other videos. Then I think nothing else. So we have the programs, the machine. Then you have this side for the soap. Shall see how to open that. We have the screen. What else? So in this side behind, we have this sticker that has the user manual, how to operate it, as you can see. So I'm going to first read through before doing anything else. So it comes with the Hisense user manual and also the model number for the washing machine. So it comes with all the things you need to get started. I guess it also comes with the warranty card. Hope it is this one. Yeah, this is the warranty card for our machine. So we have this Hisense washing machine that is 7 kg front loading. And the other video I will show you how to set it up. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. This was just a quick video, the unboxing of our Hisense. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.